Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in Subway Surfers. If you want to play Subway Surfer game in your preferred language, then first of all open the Subway Surfers application on your device, and from the main home page, click on the gear button at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu. From here, scroll down and tap language. From the list of languages available, select the language you'd like to change to and click on OK. Soon after you do that, you will see the display language changed. You can always come back to this same option over here and select to a different language whenever preferred. So that's how you change your display language setting in Subway Surfers quick and easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.